Looking for the perfect gift? Here's how to purchase a gift card online for the Bob Crane Community Center in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser and head to our registration website at parks.uaoh.net. Once there, click on Explore at the top of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Gift Card for BCCC Membership. Check the box next to the gift card option. At the bottom of your screen, the Add to Cart button will pop up. Click Add to Cart. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in here. Just enter your username and password to proceed. Once you're signed in, select yourself as the gift card recipient. On this next screen, be sure to check the box next to Amount and enter the desired amount you'd like loaded onto the gift card. Remember, no amount will be added if you forget to check this box. Finally, hit Proceed to Checkout and enter your credit card information to complete the purchase. And that's it. Your gift card is ready for the Bob Crane Community Center. Just as a reminder, gift cards can only be used for membership to the Bob Crane Community Center and must be redeemed in person. Happy gifting!